Welcome to Mastering Employee Relations, Know Your Law series. Today, we're decoding a law that's both empowering and essential, the Maternity Benefit Act, 1961. In the fabric of India's modern workforce, some laws are more than just regulations. They are a statement of values. The Maternity Benefit Act of 1961 is one such cornerstone, a vital piece of legislation that safeguards the dignity and rights of working women. It's designed to do more than just provide leave. At its heart, it aims to protect a woman's job during pregnancy, ensure the health of both mother and child, and champion gender equity, making sure that motherhood does not become a barrier to a woman's career. So who does this powerful act apply to? It covers establishments like factories, mines, and plantations, as well as any shop or company with 10 or more employees. And how does an employee become eligible? The key criterion is simple. She must have worked for her employer for at least 80 days in the 12 months just before her expected delivery date. It's also important to note, if an employee is covered by the Employees State Insurance Act, she will receive her benefits from there. The law ensures protection for all, but prevents claiming benefits from both sources simultaneously. Now let's talk about the core benefits. First and most importantly is paid maternity leave. A woman is entitled to a full 26 weeks of paid leave for her first 2 children. This can be availed as a maximum of 8 weeks before the expected delivery date and the remainder after. For the 3rd child and any subsequent children, the entitlement is 12 weeks. The support extends further. For a woman adopting a child under 3 months old, or for a commissioning mother using a surrogate, the Act provides 12 weeks of paid leave to bond with her newborn. Additionally, a medical bonus of Rs 3,500 is provided if the employer doesn't offer free pre- and postnatal care. And when she returns to work, the support continues. She is entitled to 2 nursing breaks each day, in addition to her regular rest intervals, until her child turns 15 months old. In establishments with 50 or more employees, a mandatory creche facility must be provided, with the mother allowed 4 visits per day. After maternity leave, some employers may let a woman work from home if her job allows it. But this isn't automatic. It depends on what both sides agree to. The Act places clear and non-negotiable responsibilities on the employer. Crucially, the law is clear. It is unlawful to dismiss a woman or change her service conditions to her disadvantage simply because she is pregnant or on maternity leave. This protects her job when she is most vulnerable. Furthermore, employers have a duty to inform every female employee in writing of her rights under this act when she joins the company. This ensures awareness and empowers women to claim what is rightfully theirs. Employers must follow all regulations on leave, pay, creche facilities, and return-to-work policies, and they should never treat employees unfairly due to pregnancy. However, the law on paper and the reality on the ground can be different. Small businesses sometimes struggle with the financial cost of 26 weeks of paid leave. A significant gap also exists for the growing gig economy, as freelance and contract workers often fall outside the Act's traditional definition of an employee. And while the provision for creches is mandatory, implementation remains a challenge due to costs and logistics. The conversation is also shifting towards the need for a national paternity leave policy to ensure that childcare becomes a shared responsibility. The spirit of the Act is constantly evolving. A landmark Supreme Court judgment in Municipal Corporation of Delhi versus female workers in the year 2000 affirmed that even temporary female workers are entitled to maternity benefits, expanding its protective reach. In conclusion, the Maternity Benefit Act is more than a policy. It is a commitment to women, to families, and to the future of the Indian workforce. For employers, embracing it isn't just about compliance, it's about building a truly progressive, equitable, and human-centric organization, a workplace where every employee can thrive. Liked what you learned today? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Know Your Law episodes. Until next time, stay compliant, stay aware.